Let's have some fun today. A lot of my friends say they can't cook. Reggie Slater, I'm talking to you. Well, I'm going to show you something you can cook that's absolutely delicious. A breakfast taco made my way. Honestly, I don't know if anybody else makes them this way, but I'm going to show you some secrets to an absolutely delicious taco. Now, we're going to start, first of all, with fresh taco dough. You can buy this stuff here at stores. I got these at Costco. It comes out and it's nice and soft and pliable. So we're going to start with this, and we're going to make a breakfast taco out of this, and it's going to be one of the best things you've ever eaten, I promise. All right, we're going to come over here. We're going to take a taco, and we're going to start our pans here, one for the eggs and one for the taco, and we're going to do this at kind of a low-medium heat. You don't want to overdo this. So we'll start with a little butter over here in our taco pan. There we go. And we'll just put this taco in here, get that butter on there really good. And then do a little butter here. And we've got 3 eggs. And we're going to cook this very lightly. Now, while our eggs are cooking here, we're taking our taco. We're going to put some nice cheese slices on it. I like lots of cheese. I think most people do. And by the way, you want to use slices, not shredded cheese. Slices have a lot more flavor in them. Okay, so we got our eggs going. And now I've got some sausage crumbles, but you could put anything, because when you make a breakfast taco, or any kind of taco, guys, I mean, it's just like making a pizza, whatever you want. And we're going to put a lid over this to help that cheese melt. Now we've got our eggs going here. And we don't want to overcook the eggs. I like the eggs soft. So we're just going to get these moving around, these 3 eggs here. And you're going to know this is done when that cheese melts. We're going to take a peek at it and make sure it's nice and crusty. And we're only going to toast it on one side. Now that seems unusual to a lot of people, but I like to toast it on one side and not toast it on the side that we just put the cheese on, because that'll keep it nice and soft and pliable and chewy, and that's what we want. Now, cheese is getting melted, you can see that, and we'll put 2 of these eggs here onto the taco. And let's just check it and see what we got here. Oh yeah, we're getting there. We've almost got it. I want to get that nice brown golden color on there. Now, when we're ready, turn the heat off, slide the taco onto a plate, move it to the prep table here. Look how nice that looks there. The cheese is all melted. So let's hit it with a few things here. Little Frank's hot sauce, some sour cream, right there, and some pico. Gotta have a little pico on that. Let's just take it, it's still hot, here, and let's fold it over. Now look at that beautiful taco. That puppy is good and is ready to go. That's what I'm talking about right there. That's good, guys. I defy you to get a better taco anywhere. Let's review the rules. Fresh taco dough, only cooked on one side. Sliced cheese to a nice golden brown, and you're there. Couldn't be any better. Let's get through these times together, guys. Good food is going to help a lot. Cook yourself one of these tacos. I guarantee you it's going to be one of the best things you've ever eaten. That's it for today. A clean kitchen is a happy kitchen. Adios and yum, yum. Oh yeah, if you were paying attention, you noticed I only put 2 eggs on that taco. What about the 3rd egg? Well, when I make eggs in the morning, I always cook 3, and I give one to my dog Boris. And Boris just loves it. He still likes his mom better than me, but he likes me. Be sure to visit mamamabelsboy.com for a written text of this recipe and a whole lot of others.
Bon appetit.